Hello DIYers. Today we're upgrading the LED bulbs on our GMC Terrain. So if your aftermarket bulbs are making it sound like this video is for you. Watch on. Fortunately, my friends at SEALIGHT sent me an updated model to replace them. These S1 Pro bulbs look more like a direct OEM replacement compared to the S2s, which had this connector on the wire and were slightly bigger. It's very likely the S2 bulb was a tight fit with the dust cover, and so was ventilating poorly. These S1 Pros have a bit more clearance and should address the problem moving forward. I have a full guide for replacing the headlight bulbs, linked in the description, where I take off the wheel liner so you can see the exact steps to replacing the bulb. But for this quick video, we'll fast cut through this. This 2011 Terrain has an access port, though I know some of the years don't. We'll remove the Torx screw with the T15 Torx bit. Then you can reach inside and twist off the dust cover with a quarter turn. The bulb comes out with a quarter turn clockwise too. There's a single clip holding down the bulb. Pry it up a little bit and the bulb comes right out. The new S1 Pro bulb goes in the same way. It only fits in one direction, so you can't mess it up. A quarter turn to lock the bulb in place, and the same for the dust cover. Then the access port goes back on. Here's a quick shot to test the light, and I'll show it in more darkness towards the end. Now the same for the passenger side. Dust cover off, bulb out. New S1 Pro bulb back in, dust cover back on, access cover back on. And here's the S1 Pros at dusk. They're looking pretty good. And that's it. This is just a quick video to update an older LED bulb to a newer one. SEALIGHT made both of these bulbs, so it's great to see them improving their lineup over time. Links to everything in the description. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm Alan, and this is Metaloop. I'll see you next time.